Now friends, this topic is for class 10th, not for 9th, but yes, in CBSE might as well to cover some topic. First of all, I would try to make you understand that how a gas is evolved. Gas is evolved from an anion. So I will first make a summary where you can realize and rationalize कि किस तरीके से किस एनाइन से कौन सी गैस निकलती है और एनाइन क्या होते हैं. स्पीशीज विद नेगेटिव चार्ज इज एनाइन, but group of atom with negative charge and behaving as a single unit is called radical. There might be radicals also, but the issue is not this. How the gas is evolved from an anion. Let us talk about it. So carbonate would release carbon dioxide gas. Sulfide would release sulfur dioxide gas. Chloride might release chlorine and hydrogen chloride gas. Right? I will not repeat here. And nitride will release either nitrogen or ammonia. And nitrate would release either nitric oxide or nitrogen dioxide. This is how the anion releases the gases. Now see the anion and their confirmatory test. How to identify anion and how to confirm their presence in terms of gases. Let us see. So we have carbonate, we have sulfite, we have sulfate, we have chloride, we have nitrate, we have sulfide. These three will be done together. We always take a soluble salt, we take sodium carbonate, we take sodium sulfite, we take sodium sulfate. Add water to make their solution. Now this is interesting. Until if you are sitting with your family members, you might be a son and a daughter. But when you go out and go to the stationery shop or a bakery, you become a customer. When you go to your friend's house, you become a friend. You break the old bond and form the new bond. Solution provides free ion so that it can convert to some other compound. That is, new bonds are formed. So make the solution to have free ion. Add to this either A, barium chloride, or B, barium nitrate. Plus will go to the minus, plus will go to the minus, and plus will go to the minus. So here white precipitate of barium carbonate, here white precipitate of barium sulfide, here white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. We don't know which test tube has which anion. All of them are separately are white precipitate. Now you add dilute hydrochloric acid to all of them separately. Senior sub inspector SSI. This becomes soluble in dilute HCl. This becomes soluble in dilute HCl. This remains insoluble in dilute HCl. Sulfate confirmed. In this case, carbonate release carbon dioxide, sulfide release sulfur dioxide, which can be tested by a filter paper soaked in acidified potassium dichromate, which has no effect, and this orange colored potassium dichromate changes to green, clear green in presence of sulfur dioxide. Talking about this, you take sodium chloride solution, add concentrate sulfuric acid at a temperature less than 200 degrees centigrade. This gas is evolved. Bring a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution on the mouth of test tube having this gas. Dense white fumes are evolved. Dense white fumes are evolved. In this case, you take the salt, heat it with copper and concentrate sulfuric acid. A reddish brown gas is evolved, which turns potassium iodide violet. For sulfide, you take a salt, make it solution, add dilute hydrochloric acid, a gas which smells of rotten egg. Is formed, which turns lead acetate paper silvery black. Silvery black precipitate of lead sulfide it formed. Silvery black precipitate of lead sulfide is formed. Again, carbonate, sulfite and sulfate are conformed by one method. Take their salt solution, add barium chloride. All of them forms white precipitate of barium carbonate, barium sulfite and barium sulfate respectively. And then dilute hydrochloric acid separately to both all the three precipitate. Senior sub-inspector, soluble, soluble and insoluble. When it dissolves, it obviously releases barium carbonate react with twice HCl to give barium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Same here. So these two gases cannot be conformed by lime water because both gases turns lime water milky. So what do we do then? We take filter paper soaked in acidified potassium dichromate which changes from orange to clear green in case of sulfur dioxide and no effect in case of carbon dioxide. Thank you.